Welcome to Encompass. Encompass is Ellie Mae's all-in-one, fully integrated solution that covers the entire loan lifecycle and provides one system of record so you can close high-quality, compliant loans more efficiently, no matter what the industry or regulators do next. More than a loan origination system, Encompass supports your company from marketing to prospective borrowers and originating loans, all the way through post-closing and secondary marketing. Its compliance tools and alerts also work to assure compliance with all federal, RESPA, and state regulations. Encompass also delivers high level of control, customization, collaboration, and efficiency for business owners, department heads, and individual users such as loan officers, processors, underwriters, funders, closers, and secondary marketing staff. In this tour, we'll look at key areas of Encompass, including homepage, pipeline, loan workspace, e-folder, dashboard, reports, contacts, trades, and settings. Along the way, you'll see how Encompass enables you to manage every aspect of your business and become a truly paperless operation. The homepage is the first screen you see when you log into Encompass. Information is contained in modules that can be configured to display a range of loan data and other business-related information. Modules are arranged in 3 columns. Modules in the left and center columns are configurable, which means that you can reposition the modules, change their appearance, and add or remove them. To add a module, click Add Modules, select the module to add, and then click Add Selected Modules. And here we see the module has been added. Modules in the right column are permanent and cannot be changed. These modules provide important updates and notifications from Ellie Mae. A link to the Encompass Resource Center, where you can find resources to help you learn how to use Encompass. A link to the Compliance Center, where you can view Encompass compliance updates and a calendar of upcoming regulatory changes. A link to Manage My Account, where you can manage your Encompass invoices, licenses, closed loan reports, and transactions. And a link to Web Center Administration, where you can manage and configure your Web Center websites. Now let's look at the Pipeline tab. The pipeline is a starting point for originating, viewing, and managing loans. These icons are provided for you so you can easily create a new loan, open a loan for editing, duplicate a loan, or delete a loan. You'll discover that there are many different options for setting up and viewing loan information on the pipeline. For example, you can drag and drop pipeline columns so they display in the order you prefer. To add or remove columns, right-click a column header. Then click Customize Columns. Clear a checkbox to remove a column or select a checkbox to add the column. When you're finished, click OK. You can also sort loans by column data. Click a column header to sort loans in ascending order. Click the column header again to sort loans in descending order. There are also many methods available to search for loans in the pipeline. For example, you can type data in a column field. Or select an option from a column's drop-down list. You can also click Advanced Search to create your own search criteria and filters. After changing the column, sorting the data, or applying search criteria, you can save the new configuration as a new custom view. To create a custom pipeline view, click the Save icon. Select Save As, type the name of the view, and then click Save. After creating the views, you can select from different custom and default pipeline views. You'll also notice various icons that contain loan details and information. The alert icon notifies you that an event has occurred, is pending, or is past due. Click the icon to view the alerts and take the required action to clear them. The message icon inside the pipeline indicates that a borrower has returned requested documents electronically or via fax or status information about an appraisal order or disclosure documents. Click the icon to view the message. The Borrower Contact icon provides the borrower's contact information and a link to run a credit report. The house icon lists the subject property's purchase price, appraised value, and links to order an appraisal or title report, and a link to view the property using Google Maps. The rate lock icon indicates the status of the loan's rate lock, as well as other links that enable you to take action with the lock or the loan. Double-click a loan to view it on the Loan tab. This is the loan workspace. The header area contains a summary of key loan information, including loan amount, loan number, and loan rate. On the right side of the header, the name of the currently assigned loan team member is displayed. The log communicates historical, current, and future loan-related activities and events, such as completed and future milestones, and email and phone communications. The Alerts and Messages tab displays the active alerts and messages related to the loan. You can also set up notifications, which are triggered by alerts or when you receive a message, and display in the lower right corner of your screen anytime Encompass is open. The Forms tab provides access to input forms such as the Borrower Summary, 1003, Loan Estimate, and ATRQM Management. The form that you select is displayed in the right side of the workspace. The ATRQM Management form provides a convenient central location for recording the information you obtain to determine the borrower's ability to repay the loan and to help you document compliance with general ability to repay standards or eligibility for qualified mortgage status. The Tools tab provides access to Encompass tools such as file contacts, disclosure tracking, and compliance review. Here you can run a compliance report for the loan, where the loan is reviewed for compliance issues based on TIL, HOPA, state and local high costs, and other industry regulations and mandates. You can also access the TQL Services tool, which provides a single location where you can order and review 4506T tax transcripts, fraud reports, compliance reviews, and automated valuation model reports. You can also share TQL documents and comments with participating investors who can verify that loans meet their quality requirements. The Services tab provides access to the Ellie Mae Network services. Here you can order services such as a credit report or appraisal, or perform a product and pricing search. Now back on the Log tab, we see all the loan's milestones. A milestone is a step in the loan workflow that contains loan tasks to be carried out by the assigned loan team member. Click a milestone to view the milestone worksheet. Let's minimize the left panel so we can get a better view of the worksheet. The milestone worksheet enables you to record activities and completion of tasks associated with each milestone, such as retrieving documents associated with the loan, and to view and assign loan team members to past, current, and future milestones, and to accept or reject the loan file and mark the milestone as finished when all its requirements have been met. Now let's view the e-folder. The e-folder provides a central location for accessing, managing, and tracking the electronic files, documents, and conditions associated with the loan. Use the Documents tab on the e-folder to request and manage documents. And use the Conditions tabs on the e-folder to create, track, and clear conditions associated with the loan. You can also use the History tab to view changes made to the e-folder. On the left panel, you can select one or more documents, files, or conditions, and then view the actions associated with them in the right panel. Now back on the Documents tab, you can request documents from a borrower by selecting the documents in the list and then clicking the Request button. Here you can request documents that the borrower must sign and return to you. You can also request documents that don't require a signature but must be supplied by the borrower, for example, bank statements. You can also use the e-disclosures tool to send disclosure packages to the borrower that contain forms based on the loan subject property, state, loan channel, and other information selected in the loan file. To access the tool, click the e-disclosures button. Select a plan code and then click Order e-disclosures. Select the documents to include in the package and then click Send. A package notification is sent to the borrower via email, so here you can enter instructions or a message for the borrower and set up their signing options. Based on your selection, the borrower can print out the documents, sign them, and send them back via fax, or they can e-sign them, which means they can sign and return the forms electronically. Encompass uses e-signing technology provided by DocuSign, which enables users to view electronic copies of the forms and then simply click the designated signature points to apply their signature. Encompass also provides the e-disclosure fulfillment service, which automatically prints out the disclosure package and sends it to the borrower on the date of your choice if the borrower fails to accept the package within a specified time frame or declines to receive the package electronically. To retrieve files that have been returned by the borrower, click the Retrieve button. Once downloaded, you can view the document, update its tracking status, and attach, print, and save files associated with the document. Now let's look at the dashboard. From here, you can create custom reports and views to get the information you need to monitor your company's productivity, as well as branch and loan team member performance. You can also use the Split View option to see exactly which loan files were included in a particular report. You can then click a loan in the list to open and view it on the Loan tab. Now let's look at the Reports tab. Use the Reports tool to run predefined reports and to create your own custom reports. You can generate reports that contain data from loans and business and borrower contacts. Report output displays in Microsoft Excel. Now let's look at the Contacts tab. Use the Contacts tab to manage your business and borrower contacts. Among the numerous activities you can perform here, you can create and manage appointments on your calendar and create and manage marketing campaigns. Just as we saw with the pipeline, you can customize these columns to display only the data you need. You can also originate a loan for the selected contact. Encompass Banker Edition users can also access the Trades tab. The Trades tab provides several features that help you manage loan trades, including the Security Trades and Loan Trades modules, where you can create, manage, and track trades. And the Loan Search module, where you can search for eligible loans to add to new or existing trades. Banker Edition users can also use the Lock Request form to request a rate lock for a loan, view the details of an existing lock, order product and pricing, and request an extension for an existing lock. And use the Secondary Lock tool to lock and confirm a rate with the loan originator and an investor. Finally, let's look at the Encompass settings. To open the Encompass settings, in the menu bar, click Encompass, and then click Settings. The Encompass settings screen contains tools to configure and manage Encompass features and tools, and to define settings for loan files, documents, input forms, and loan file access. If you are logged in as admin, you have access to all categories and settings. For other users, access is determined by the security permissions set in their persona settings. An administrator can give non-administrator personas granular access to Encompass settings here as well. Visit the Encompass Resource Center, where you will find resources such as on-demand video tutorials, knowledge base, white papers, online chat, instructor-led training courses, and other tools to help you learn to use Encompass. Within Encompass, click Help and then click Encompass Help to view the online help system. The help system provides comprehensive information, including detailed descriptions of features and tools, step-by-step instructions, and video tutorials. Thank you for taking this tour of Encompass. You've seen just a quick view of the key features of Encompass, including the homepage, pipeline, loan workspace, e-folder, dashboard, reports, contacts, trades, and settings. For additional information, visit the Encompass Resource Center or refer to the Encompass Online Help.